Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2018. And if you're trying to find the fuse for the rear window wiper, guys, we'll show you where that fuse is. Now the procedure is super simple. It will take just a couple of minutes, maybe even less than a minute. But in the meantime, guys, let me introduce you to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on this kind of car, this model. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel. More videos will come. And if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below the video and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. So let's start on it now. First step, open the hood. Second, locate the fuse box, which is right next to the car battery, right here. This cap, in order to remove it, there is one clip that you need to press in and then pull up. There is one little clip that will come out of here. Okay, and two more on the front. You can see it. Now, this is your fuse box. If you put the cap, okay, the lid like that, it's going to be the same layout as the fuse box, holding it this way. And on the inside you can see the fuse numbers, okay, listed there. So in our case, guys, okay, we need to locate fuse number 40, okay, 42. So 42, let me show you now, okay, it will be this one here, fuse, first fuse. So it will be this one right there. We'll use the fuse puller, okay, there is a clip here, spread it this way and then remove the puller. You need to open it like that, go on top of the fuse and then squeeze on the front and pull it out. Check it out now. But now we're in a dead end. And why is that? Because this fuse is too close to the plastic wall and you cannot use that puller. That's why I wanted to show you this video as well. So what we'll be using, a small screwdriver or small pliers. Let me get them quick. I would recommend using plastic tools only, but with a small screwdriver you can come on the side, okay, and gently pull the fuse up without damaging anything, okay. This is extremely inconvenient place to be. So let me get the pliers quick, okay, to see if those will work. Okay, perfect. The thin pliers work really good. And this is, guys, your fuse. Now you can check the element. Most of the times you can tell if it's burnt or not. In our case it looks fine, but we have a video how to test them, so I'm going to replace it anyways with a new one. You can check out where we get our new fuses and parts and tools that we use in the description of the video below for your convenience. So all you have to do, push it in. Don't forget to put your fuse pull. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.